My mind opened up to it actually when I tried it for myself, and within 1 to 5 days, I mean, I was really just it was like snapping out of it and just feeling, you know,
like your life came back.
Yeah, like my life, like the lights came back on, and I felt great again, and like almost immediately, and then I didn't need any of the medicines from the VA.
Okay.
I didn't need mood medicines. I didn't need sleep medicines. I certainly didn't need amphetamine anymore.
Well, and you were on a lot of things that you're, you know, when I sit down, I talk to members about your body makes this. Your body actually makes thyroid. Your body doesn't make the amphetamines, or if you're on an antidepressant, your body doesn't make Lexapro or Paxil or whatever it is, but we can show you the numbers of what your body does make. So going back to what they put you on at first was, and correct me if I'm wrong, you're the expert, was probably T4, which is inactive, when you really needed a combination of T4 and T3, which is what they used to use years and years ago, but moving forward, I guess pharmaceutical companies and whatnot has convinced the medical society that T4 is all they need. Is that correct? Is that kind of what, am I in the right direction?
It's just indoctrination, and if you deviate from that, you're a heretic. Really, it's so. But the patients know better, and then so because I'm a patient, you know, it just affected me just so dramatically. Really, it was almost like a miracle. So it's sad that the standard of care is an inferior treatment, and really what you need is replacement with T3 and T4, the active hormone and the storage hormone, because it just works better that way.